Yeah, just cleaning up the driver's side engine bay. Getting there. It's not too bad. It's a little dirty still. Just using my little brush got with my welding stuff. I think that's what, stainless steel. Correct me if I'm wrong. I don't know. Just going in there, cleaning up out there, getting the rust out. I already did kind of right here. Doesn't look the best, but we're just trying to get the rust out of there. Get the rust out of there, clean them up. Right there, all that. She's gonna be good though. Yeah, you can really tell she's been sitting. Get it cleaned out though. Get it cleaned out. I was using this just to stir up the stuff because I'm about to vacuum it out. That little harness was in there though. Whatever that went to. Yeah. Getting her all cleaned up, getting there. TAC Rich. Checking out. Hit that like button. Just hit that like button. We getting her there.